Shanvi Sharma, and in today's video I am going to show you how to remove background of a photo without using Photoshop or any editing software which you may have to download. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So, I want this picture of this cute dog without the background. So, I'll show you how I do it. First, search for Paint 3D. As you can see, there's no need to download this app as it is already downloaded in all the Windows laptop. So click on New. To upload a picture, go on Menu, Insert, and choose the picture you want to download. Resize it accordingly. Yes. Now click on Magic Select. Crop it as much as you can do it so it can focus on the photo. Let me resize it. Done. Click on Next. Now, as you can see, it has already selected the photo. To add a bit more of a photo, click on Add and draw a line. To remove, click on Remove and just draw a line, same way. Now click on Done. Click on. Now as you can see, the photo has been removed from the background. You can cut the photo. Don't save. Go to another Paint 3D. Paste it. Now as you can see, the background has been removed. Now to save it, go to the image option, menu option, click on Save As and choose on Image. Save. There's no need to download it because the image has been saved. Now go to Google Chrome, search for remove BG. Click on the first link you get. This is a free website. So click on Upload Image. Choose the image you want to drop. Wait for a minute. As you can see, the background has been removed. Now there are two ways to download. Download and Download HD. Download HD. To use Download HD, you have to sign up. Since I have not signed up, I'll choose the download option. The background has been removed. To cross-check it, go to PPT. Go to Insert tab, Pictures, this device. Go to the place where you have saved. Remove. Hooray! As you can see, the background has been removed. Now we can compare this from the original. Go to this device. Talk. As you can see, the background has been successfully removed. Mission accomplished.
Now wasn't that a piece of cake? Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share my video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.